Hello everyone. Myself Purnima, working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss how to design walkie talkie called design thinking. Uh, so if we want to design a device, we need to come across the following stages called as design thinking stages, and it has 5 stages. The first one is define state, empathize, then defining stage, and ideating the solution, and its prototype, and finally the testing. Now we are going to apply this design thinking stages to design walkie-talkie for the wireless voice communication. And the very first step is empathizing the problem, that is understanding the problem. So we need to identify the users and their communication challenges in the environment where the mobile network is unsecure. So where we can use this walkie-talkie to whom means where the personal security is needed, and to the construction workers, and to organize the event, and for a faster and emergency situation responding time. So all these areas for this users we need walkie-talkie for the reliable communication. And the next step is defining the problem. So design a device that should satisfy the following parameters like portability. Our walkie-talkie should be portable so that from wherever you can communicate easily. And it should be very easy to use because our targeted customers are not necessarily educated. So the handiness of the device should be ensured for the easy usage. And we are providing voice transmission. So the clarity of the voice should be very good in the case of transmission, and this should consume less power so that the life of the device will be increased in the case of portability areas. And the communication by this device should be ensure the reliability, and these are the problems are our device. And ideating the solution is the third stage in design thinking. We have different methods to do the communication. Consider one is wired communication. The wired communication, since it is reliable, but it is not portable. So since we are using wire for communicating, so it is not suitable. And the next one is mobile network. Since it covers a long range, but it depends the internet always. So we are going to the analog frequency modulation broadcasting systems. Why? Because it has better noise immunity than the AM, and it gives a superior audio quality, and it is easy to design, and it is very suitable for the in the case of voice transmission and reception. And the prototype is the fourth stage. Here a crystal oscillator is used for generating high frequency, and our audio source, that is our voice signal, is given to the modulator. This is a phase modulator which gives PM wave, and then we can get PM wave, FM wave from the PM wave, that is called as narrowband FM. And for a wide range of coverage, we can do the frequency multiplication in order to get wide range of FM. Then a power amplifier is used for boosting the signal. Then it is being transmitted using an antenna. The last stage in the design thinking is testing the prototype. Once we have designed the device called walkie-talkie, we need to ensure its performance by certain parameters called as evaluation parameters. The first one is to ensure the voice clarity, because we are transmitting the voice signals. This is the major problem identification. So we have to ensure the quality of the voice delivery, and how much distance it can cover without losing the information is called as communication range, identifying the communication range. And also we need to try to extend the communication range to ensure the better communication. Also, we have to ensure the battery performances. Since it's a portable device, you could not get always the power supply. So the battery should perform for the certain extended duration to ensure the good communication. Also, this device should be very easy to use since our targeted customers are not educated in all the time. So it is very it should have the simple step to use the device. So these are the evaluation parameters to ensure the quality of the walkie-talkie in the case of voice transmission. Thank you. Thank you.